Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an online booking page or site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, let me just go back into home for a minute. As you can see, this is what my site looks like. I've just taken a template off of the creation menu, and as you can see, currently I've set up an empty page. If we go into pages, I have a couple of different pages, but for example, let's say I want to edit this page, and I'll change the title to booking. Now, once I've changed this, I have to click save first. I didn't know where the save button was. But yeah, once you create the booking page over here, you can then go ahead and edit the page and use Acuity Scheduling, which is, I think, integrated into Squarespace, which you can then use to make a calendar and then give the option for people to book any appointments or anything of the sort. Now, to create the scheduling item on your page, you need to go into edit and edit your page, then add a section, and for this tutorial I'll just add a blank section like so. And once we've done that, we can then click on add a block. Now if you scroll down under business, you have scheduling, click that, and as you can see, you need to connect to Acuity Scheduling. I have an account already, not sure why it's not accessing it, but by double clicking it, you can either set it up or add an existing schedule. And as you can see, you need to provide a link. But I'll just go into setup Acuity Scheduling. I'm pretty sure I already have one, so I don't know why I need to set it up again. I've used it for a different program in the past, but once this loads up, as you can see, it's setting things up. You can then go ahead and create your calendar and allow people to schedule it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You can then set up your scheduling page, but this should be pretty much it. As you can see, you have a free trial of 14 days. Other than that, it is pretty much just paid for. You do need to subscribe, but as you can see, I have the scheduling page link, so let me just copy the link over here, paste it into this, and as you can see, it has now created a scheduling item, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.